This How to 1 Minute will show you how to create your own Discord server. First of all, open your Discord and click on this plus icon and click on create my own. Now you can create a community from here. Also, you can create a server for you and your friends by clicking on this option. Now give here your server name. You can upload a profile photo to your server by clicking on upload and select a photo. Click on create. And as you can see, the server has been successfully created. You can also click on this server name to open server settings, and from here you'll be able to customize your server. And to invite someone to your server, click on server name and click on invite people. And that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.